and fourth are 40. So gangster. JJ, like you could even hang, bro. What does that mean? If you need help spending it, I got a guy. There you go, Euro. If you have too much money and you don't know what to do with it, just give it to Bones. Bro, how did we not hit the data wick? Shit, man. Welcome to the market where anything can happen. Where anything can happen.
But my competition cooked themselves. Yep. Not surprised. Everyone's trying to push.
Yeah, I saw the guy who was worried about. I saw he was at like 45K. He basically blew the account.
Yeah.
It's like dope. What's the free game? COD? Huh. Welcome to Free Game Fridays where we play Call of Duty. Toasty, hello.
Dusty.
Toasty, yo, I saw Toasty hit that banger in pre-market. I saw her in chat. She's talking about the news, letting
Toasty,
people know. Come
can
on,
you
bro.
go to the collective chat and answer, please?
America. Fuck yeah. America. All right, well, I'm on round 2 of this TOF account.
You did.
Road to the second payout. No cap. Second payout on this account. I really want to add like a bunch more accounts of something and like copy trade super heavy. But like I just don't like trading. I don't know. I don't like trading multiple things at the same time that aren't all like even, you know? Oh, I'm banning production. Oh, production fixed my camera. He's unbanned. Unbanned. Let me take a look at these charts. Yo, was anybody printing off that dumpy yesterday? I saw some people tweaking about Asia. I wasn't even looking at the chart.
You flushed.
I wasn't even looking at the
The
chart.
goats are back. What's up, Colton? You sexy. We looking at GC today? You keep asking that, Euro, and then you never
Yeah.
take the GC.
Is that market open? Oh shit, that's already market open. Yo, are you trading your Vanquish accounts today?
I don't even have it open. Why? Why you ask?
Cause like I have two different. I have like the advanced and the basic. If I'm gonna trade both, I need like 2 tabs, and then like there's not enough room on my monitors, and it gets like annoying. But like if you're gonna trade them, I'll fucking trade them.
I mean, fuck it. I'll do it.
All right. Bet. What am I doing here? Ooh, there's that 30K test.
Yep.
Wow.
No, we bottom ticked NQ, then went to sleep. Oh, trust me, I know. I was so surprised. Like, you of all people, like, you're pretty good at holding
Oh yeah.
Euro, and then you secured all right at that CE. I was like, ah! And then she absolutely ripped all the way to 250.
America. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah.
They
No
were
cap.
insane, cows. That's why, honestly, after 2 Ls, I just called it.
Oh, you were trying to play the reversal?
Yeah.
I mean, makes sense. It was so overextended, but it just decided, nah.
And then when I finally caught it, it was just in a private chat with Euro.
Oh yeah, he caught that too. Yeah, I mean like a 30K bounce, that's literally that was free money. That was actually free money. Oh, we didn't
Share
post.
screen.
Shit, we didn't fucking post. Chat, how you gonna not remind me to post? Come on, bro.
Where is my projection? Oh, right here. There y'all go.
Yo, did you guys like that last video on Instagram that we posted? JJ post. Thanks, Toasty. Come on. Yo, hit a sick pose. The
game is free.
America, Canada, Jamaica.
But cheese.
I was gonna say one of those.
Where are you now? Oh, where are you now? Huh.
What? Wow. Yo, that looks like a trade example. You know what I mean? Like bounce off 30K, TP 3100. Wow. What's going on?
GC 40 rejection or what?
Ooh, you looking at GC today?
As long as she keeps holding under 30, I don't care about the 40, to be honest. I would need it under 30.
Yo, are you busy today?
No.
Pull up
He doing?
to my crib.
He want
I
he wants to
don't know why. I thought you were busy, but that was last week when you had the you had
he
something.
wants to fuck. I'm getting excited.
Thanks for reminding me. Bustings.
America, America. We've done.
Here, take a selfie story. There you go. Oh, fuck, man. I'm in a short.
Where are you?
I'm in a short. I sell it that high, like 103. TP is gonna be 30K again. I'm printing. Sorry, I was
Where are
passing.
you? It's free game Friday. We have the squad here, but you're not here. Link right here. Starting. It's already started. Join quick, 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 quick.
Good one.
I don't know.
It's because professionals.
America, American,
Bro, I got distracted and my entry was 10 points worse. So annoying.
American, America, America.
America.
Okay, as long as it holds under that 30 on GC, not too shabs, not too shabs, some might say.
Bro, what do you guys think of the Brabus? The Brabus whip? Look at that. That shit's fucking sexy, bro.
Swear I sent it to you guys, and you guys said it was poo poo beans.
What?
Or
I
was
didn't say
that
shit.
pasta?
Well, my entry is literally exactly at 50. My TP is 30K. Be nice little 50 points. Nice little 50 points. Actually, wait, my PDPT kind of has to be. My PDPT is lower. So I'm going to take at 04. 3,000, 30,004. Sometimes we're typing, sometimes we're shitting.
And sometimes
Wait,
we've
what?
done both. What it is, what it
Like hikey confused. I'm gonna
pop my
let's start
pussy like
dynamic
this.
SLing. High key. Come on, give me a little more. There we go. That's where I'm gonna drop it, and boom. All right. W. Who took that short with me? Done for the day.
W and the toastings from that guy, am I right?
W Friday.
Ooh. Did you get
W
in,
Friday.
Euro? I'm in half at 30. Nice. Beauty.
America.
Good
Fuck
catches.
yeah.
I'd watch out here. You do have your wick from your pre-market, and then obviously your open low. If you can now close underneath and create a new low with a hold, you are sexy. It's testing right here. Oh, you're golden. There you go.
Oh. Anybody take that 50 points? I feel like that was easy.
Trimmed beauty. Yep.
Easy as fuck.
Gorgeous shit, Euro. Let's go. Sorry, guys. I'm really focused on Euro. He has a bag to win.
No
And
cap.
if I can assist with any confluence as possible, you know that I'm going to be doing it for one of my OG students who I'm so fucking proud of. Plus, he's representing P-Hub with his name. It's literally Euro 1 P-Hub for the competition.
No cap.
We got to give him love out here. There we go, Euro. I didn't even take it myself. I'm just watching it.
It's just
I'm just so
excited
focused.
for him.
Man, I'm for the people.
For the people.
All out of 15. Gorgeous. What are you up right now, Euro?
Bro, I want to keep trading, but like I'm already locked out.
Beautiful, for
Like, I
real,
should grab
for
another
real.
account, Loki. Beautiful.
1262 for the day. Nice. Also, why is
when's-
not a singular person on my TikTokings?
Wait, yo, Euro, it's all 1v1s up until then, right? Like up until the final winner. When's the next update, Euro, for your guy? For your competition?
Oh, 12.
Your degen is showing Jay. I said just to get another account, not to keep trading this one. I'm already PDPT. I can't even trade it.
Still holding that 30K. Oh,
Hey, you're PDPT too? W Toasty.
W in the toastings.
Fucking beautiful, man.
Oh, my foot is
12 Eastern and
asleep,
3
dog.
Eastern. Yeah, well, hopefully he just blows that shit, right? America. Fuck yeah. What accounts should... Yo, I still like I don't know, I'm between Apex and TradeFi and Lucid, low key. I don't know yet though. And I don't really feel like buying new accounts on a Friday, you know what I mean? My dumbass just took a Q call instead of put by accident on Vanquish. Dude, Mike, I did the exact same shit yesterday. Like I entered a call, or I wanted to enter a call and I entered puts. And I was like, oh, I'm printing. And then I look, I'm like, wait, why am I red? I actually sent it in chat. It was the other day. It was super annoying. It was down like 400 for no reason. America's fuck yes. Yo, chat, transparency time. Who's red? Who's red on this Friday? Transparency time, baby. Buffett, me, Eric, red and green. Productions, BE. All right. Fast Squatch, I'm red right now. Okay. Euro, I know you're green. Fish hats, Goat, BE currently. All right. Toasty green, Signal green. VDV no trades yet. All right. So we got mostly BEs and greens. Dope. I do have a bottom of my range at 63. So for anybody in shorts, if at that point you're pretty fucking green, that's a good trim. If we even get there. No trades, $400 away from 5 more fundeds. Don't want to blow on a Friday. For real.
America.
Ooh. And Euros printing on the top steps. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, he was printing last night already on those. He legit bottom ticked on his top step.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
on
crazy.
NQ. Excited for Monday. I'm just here for the vibes. Done trading for the day and just playing 2K now. Let's go, Colton. Colton, I'm hyped for Monday. I'm so hyped. We got to make sure John's there 100%.
Monday?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to be there for every single thing. Or at least really try to.
Me too.
Cool.
So pumped as well. Can't wait. Let's go, Jay. Also, we denied every single person who still applied.
Yeah.
So in technicality, there is 3 more slots, especially when we're not considering old students. So if anyone was really trying to lock it in by today, you guys have that opportunity.
Today's the last day.
Today is the last day. No ifs, ands, or buts. And today's also the last day for code gone for our premium.
Mhm.
And guys, the things like I know we hype up premium a lot, right?
Can I say before you say that? Can I say something quick? Like we hype up so much because like we actually are doing like a bunch of shit, but then sometimes we realize that like what we're working on is taking way longer than like we thought it was gonna take, and that's why we like run days in office where we're here for like 13 hours. You know what I mean? Like we realistic. Like I could leave now. Like if I didn't have any other job other than trading, I could just be home right now and just be back in bed because I'm done for the day. I'm PDPT. You know. Anyway, what were you gonna say? Mr. Exciting. JJ seems to downplay his abilities and importance. Maybe you're
Let's just
joking, but your
say,
energy is one of my favorite in the space. You're a goat for real. Yo, W Colton. I appreciate that.
let's just say,
What are we saying?
JJ is getting his channel and it is running his indicator. So all the text alerts from his indicator are going to be sent in to premium.
Which that last trade was, by the way. PDPT. Ha! I've done it again.
My strat is now being 1000% coded. So that's a lot of it was hard for me because of, and this is where a lot of the older students really struggled, is because of the discretionary aspects of a lot of my trading. And John kept pushing me. He was like, bro, I know that you can put into a few words what your discretion would be. Like, why is it discretionary? Because at the end of the day, discretion is still systematic, no matter how you spin it. Because even if you don't have rules on what your discretion should be, in technicality, you're gambling. Therefore, if I'm profitable, then there is a system to my discretion.
Yeah. It just is gonna it just
All
takes
you have to
more
do, yeah,
complexity.
exactly. It's a lot more complex. So as soon as I was able to put that into words, throw in my indicator, throw in every single thing that I have, it's building. And let's just say all of those trades will be alerted as well. And I will say legit if I take them or not. But all the ideas will be there.
Basically what we're saying is premium is gonna get a big ass upgrade. The alerts are gonna be fire, no cap. Okay, I'm green now. Locked in my puts. W Fasquatch. Look at that. I'm pretty sure the whole collective is green right now. Very interesting.
Yeah.
I haven't taken a trade. Hey, Kels. Friday. Who cares? Fuck it. Take a nap. You know what I mean?
I haven't taken a trade either, to be fair.
Oh. I'm gonna run a poll. I don't know why I love polls. I was actually annoyed when I couldn't put a poll in Vanquish.
Hey, who put that there on the TikTok? And it says I did. Rob did
Wait, what?
on TikTok. No,
Who's Rob? Wait, did we tell
who's
chat who Rob was?
who that? Who's Rob?
Who put that there? That's funny.
Sorry, Rams. I changed to MNQ. I didn't realize I wasn't on MNQ.
All right, put a poll in chat. Everybody answer. There's 61 people in the audience. I better see 61 votes on the poll. No cap. Yo, WAdri 224. You guys, I absolutely love when you share screenshots in like of profits in this chat. But if you could throw in testimonials, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Makes my life easier, you know? By the way, I messed up on Alpha and canceled the rebuild, paid for a reset the day before, and because I didn't keep the subscription, they wiped out. Oh, damn.
No, CTA. Are you able to message them? Oh, wait. Their support
Oh,
is
yeah.
flooded.
Yeah. Later, Buffett.
You guys want to hear something insane? And again, this is us on transparency. They closed my account altogether.
Oh, the Alpha? Yeah. That's crazy. And they haven't answered you yet, right?
Well, my whole account is gone, so they're not even gonna answer. They don't even give a shit anymore because that account was attached to the one that we closed.
And tell the people how much you actually should have been up on the alpha account.
It minimum 22K, but most likely it was around like 25 to 30 at that point.
Of
So
withdrawable
that would have been a
profits.
max payout. So that's $15,000 on a singular account.
What are you gonna do? I give them some leeway because I know they're swarmed, but it
Yeah.
also is kind of shitty.
And to be fair, it is also slightly our fault. Like if we do read through the rules, it is our fault. We can tell you guys as well. So
Wait,
we
what?
do have, because both the business account and my personal
Oh,
is under my address and everything. So in technicality, you're not allowed to have more than one account under the same address, regardless if it's business or personal. And that was my main fighting point, is the fact that we run a business, but also I try to trade personal. And plus, no accounts were ever purchased on the business. It's strictly for the affiliation with them, and they did not give a shit, and they closed it. So I said, if you're going to close one, then keep the affiliation for the people, because we're for the people, and just close my personal, because at the end of the day, I know that I'll be making a bag regardless.
oh, dude, the thing that's so annoying though is like I'm like 90% sure that if you did it on Tradeovate, it would have been fine. You know what I mean?
Coulda, shoulda, woulda, didn't. It is what it
It is
is.
what it is, man. They've been
Here
giving
is
away a
the
lot of free
bottom of my
accounts. Yeah.
range, by the way, guys. On NQ, this is your daily accumulation low. So if we break here, it actually gets a little bit saucy with your next target basically being 700 to 688. So we'll see. Another 200-point slide. Let's see. Or do we get the bounce off the bottom of this range?
It is what it is, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get a better instead of get it. Ooh, Star, are you about to request a payout from Vanquish? You about to get a Vanquish payout, baby?
One a day per. Oh, no, 1 day. Yeah, one per day.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in technicality, if you have multiple
What's happening
accounts,
to the market? Do I have to go buy toilet paper? Is it over? Is it over now? Like, are we just going to zero? Chat, are we getting rug pulled by the government?
this is testing underneath that range. You guys can see both my charts. Shit. I'm just going to put that one for now.
Who put that there? Government rug? For real. Bro, the government rugged me. I got rugged on Trump coin. Come on. That's actually crazy. I got rugged by the president. I actually never thought about that until now. Not yet past eval, seeing if I have to wait before I can continue trading. Um, they switch it pretty quick to the PA. Just refresh, and it should happen pretty fast. Hashtag Melania World. Yeah, that stupid Melania coin, bro. What an idiot. Over. Yeah, the production just said they oversaturated it in a week. So annoying, bro. I was up 30K US Dizzle in one day. Just passed my advanced account eval on Vanquish. I'm off for the day. Yo, W Thompson. I'm just gonna start calling you Thompson. Let's get
Wait, do
some
we have a new payout printer or what?
W Thompson. No, he just passed his advanced on Vanquish.
Mm.
W Thompson, what a goat. We got some new payout printer people the other day. Who was it? Oh, it was Who Has Rice. W. Looking for a better way to get about the bets. Wait, which username? What username is funny? Who Has Rice? That's pretty good.
Retesting that structure, as you guys can see. And again, that's on your daily. So still wondering if we can reclaim.
Yo, who put that there?
That's 1,000% pasta.
He said, "I believe that Rob is from Nintendo Smashing Brothers."
That is 1,000%
That
pasta.
is
I'm surprised you
100%.
even asked that.
Who is Rob? He's not lying. That is Rob. No cap dizzle. But we can go all the way to like 765. This shit could really dump.
It can really poop. Boop, boop,
For me to be
boop.
like bullish again, it honestly has to reclaim like 940.
Honestly,
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. Every time I do the roll call, I read it as it's just big what?
Pasta, you should have seen the old server. Every single
Dude, I
user
have a
was named
screenshot.
Aces blank.
I think I still have a
Every
screenshot.
single person.
Hello, Hidesh.
What's up?
How are you, baby? Pull up to the Discord. It's free. Oh, I think
That's
oh no.
Adidas.
Do 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 bum 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 do do bum bum bum. That long form we were talking about the other day, by the way, I think I'm gonna post it today. Seems like a good Friday post.
Is it finished?
He made a final revision. I basically had to do the entire thing
Mm,
and then just get him to
just
polish it.
yeah.
But I have to look at it, but I think it's done. Ooh, we can.
Yeah, we
There's the
can.
new cam. We should. I was thinking about that yesterday too.
Amar just messaged in the chat, literally saying the exact same thing, by the way.
Ooh, very nice. Toasty, you change UPFP. You just wait. First of all, why is your name only not available? Like no extension? That just looks so weird now. What?
Looks like somebody is gonna change it.
Hmm.
Look at that reclaim, guys, back inside of range. Pretty
Here we go.
massive.
Anyway, just
Like villains
chilling like villains in this kind of half mid market, but it's okay.
and half. And slightly pupus.
What?
Put that there.
Oh, not available. Your name. Who put that there? Who did that? Who would do such a thing? Who would do such a thing?
Have you guys ever seen me trade so slow? Huh? Literally still no trade?
Hey man, patience on a Friday. I respect it.
Dun, 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 dun.
I respect it, no cap. Bro, I can't find that screenshot. Whatever. I give up. Why is chat going wild? What's going on? Sending to Chubbs. That's funny. We can go faster. I don't even know what to do because I'm already done trading. Let me see what news we have next week.
That just confirmed back under the range, guys. Try to retest it. Firmed under, slight displacement down now, and underneath 850. So if it can keep holding under 850, it's not a bad short continuation, but we'll see if it continues to hold that.
You've got to be what?
I'm gonna put in a small position here. Oh, wow. As soon as I enter, she
Whoa.
jumped down to 37. Okay, cool. That makes
Yo, that's
sense.
dope. That's dope. Look at that. Look at my screen. Oh, you can.
I'm looking at. Oh,
Look at that.
hey,
That's
that's kind
fucking
of.
sick.
I am now an anime guy.
Yo, David, that's dope. What did you use to make that?
I am now an anime guy.
That is a lot of muscles on that girl. My iPhone and ChatGPT. Yeah, but what did you say? Give me the prompt. Give me the prompt sauce. Give me the prompt sauce.
Here we are at our 618 guys. So if you guys want to take that trim from the 850, then that's 30 points from my entry. Pretty ass, but it is what it is. I got such a bad feel. Literally, as soon as I said it, it just jumped down. Rams is saying his is worse. What is yours, Rams? 32. Oh, yeah, yours is worse, bruh. There we go with that extension and trimming one out and moving my stop all the way to in profit.
Nice.
And just trading slow, guys, on this beautiful day. This 800, I want to move my SL to right above that 618, but that is your 786 right here. We're about to approach 757, which is my next target. So I'm going to move it right above 800 now. And if I just got tapped. Nice little trade right there.
Nice.
Absolute printer.
Good shit.
Thanks, brother.
Toasty, stop
I think it could
lying. I've
still
seen
keep
you.
going all the way down to that bottom range, 757, all the way down to 750.
Not available. I've seen Toasty. She's 6'4", 270 lean. Like she's jacked.
Nice little
5'8".
trade. Look at
Chill,
that.
I'm in public.
Look at that
What?
continue.
Who put that there?
Could definitely see this thing just absolutely keep sending.
Really?
Yep. 750 would be our next range. And then after 750, it's literally like 700 to 680, I believe. Here, let me double check my daily.
For me, below 740, we could dump
769.
to 600.
769, and then I have 687 as my next ranges, which is still structure based.
AEW Fawas. 1500 and 1480. Man, shit, look at us chilling, making money.
Nice little retest there. Might actually pop back in quick. Thing is, you have to stay so loose with how many points she's ripping. Can always re-enter. Always possible.
Where's Yeti? Is Yeti here? Damn, Yeti's not here. I wanted more AI videos. Someone get him in chat. Everyone spam at Yeti right now. Every single person in chat at Yeti.
Okay, getting dynamic as we approach that 7. Oh, I dropped it by accident.
Bro, I wish I had
Oh.
like Rizzler chat aura. Have you seen that?
Yeah, he said, "Who summoned me?"
Hey, there he
And
is.
look at that, guys. Literally just touched the extension, 757, and trying to get a little bit of a pop right now.
Yo, Yeti, I had a question.
What an insane target right there, guys. Insane.
Bro, he pulls up. He said, "Who summons me?" And he leaves. Oh, he's back. Yo, Yeti, I have a question. What AI do you use?
It's like, I can't tell you that.
Is he gonna gatekeep? Oh, you use VO3? I used VO3 when it first came out. Have there been like major updates? Because I feel like it looks way better than when it first came out. A lot. Loki gonna look into it. Let me check. I might still have a subscription, like Loki.
What a pop. What a pop.
What a bounce, bro. Honestly, my levels are so peak.
That's what I just said. I'm like, holy fuck. Literally, wait. Premium has
Look at
this
that.
indicator. I forget.
Look at that. So easy to read charts, Loki. It's just about if your execution's actually good. Happens to be NFP low. Hey, listen, the more you trade and the more experience you have in the market, the more you realize that news is kind of fake because news always lines up with the chart. Like news and TA is actually hand in hand. Ooh, VO3 gets started. Ooh. Wow. Who put that there? Generate videos. Ooh. Oh my god, I have to pay? Maybe I didn't have it. Or maybe I canceled it.
Accidentally was on NQ. Oof. Yeah, that one hurts, Butters.
Butters, you're newer to trading, right? Oh god. Oh god. Pasta? Never send that again. I will ban you.
Pasta?
Pasta,
Send that to me personally. I want to see.
I will ban you from. You're not allowed to come over today. I will actually ban you. That was like over 10 years ago.
I need to see this. I need
You
this
could send
on
it to Ace.
I need this on John.
Do not send that shit here.
I need it on John.
Did I miss the good morning? No, I didn't do it. You want me to do it? Pasta? No. My server. It's like our good day thing. All right. Good morning, M. Good morning, Bones. Good morning, Ergonomic. Good morning, Chino. Good morning, Turtle Trader. Good morning, Aces Big What. Good morning, Kanesis. Good morning, Fowls. Good morning, Melly. Good morning, Flackkeys. Good morning, Fish Hats. Good morning, 007. Good morning, Forrest. Good morning, Jiffy. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Tisas. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Yeti. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, Pasta. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Madam. Good morning, Noob. Good morning, Kimia. Good morning, Benji. Good morning, Salvi. Good morning, VDV. Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, Espanalo. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Signal. Good morning, Fast Good morning, Hoopy. Good morning, Euro. Good morning, David. Good morning, Production. Good morning, MJ. Good morning, B-Man. Good morning, AK. Good morning, Suresh. Good morning, Cash. Good morning, Kid Good morning, Flex. Good morning, Edwin. Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Star. Good morning, Butters. Good morning, Not Available. Good morning, Nav. Good morning, Victory. Good morning, Shazia. Good morning, One Way. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Zulu. Good morning, Emdos. Good morning, Kels. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, A. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, CT. Good morning, Eric. I think I've done it again. What do you think? Do you think I've done it again?
I think you have. Sorry, I'm adjusting the TikTok screen because I noticed that they barely see shit. The screen is so small for TikTokies.
TikTok, tiki-toki screen?
It won't
Did I
even let me
get the
grab it
vanquish?
anymore.
I was on mute. What? I only have a good morning when JJ says it. All right, I'm gonna start saying it every day now. I got you.
Yeah.
Just for you. Oh my god, JJ, did you say good morning to Ace? I
No, he
actually,
didn't.
I didn't.
He never does.
I have something to tell you.
Nope.
Just let, I have something to tell you. Go fuck yourself. I got him his eyes. He looked like a little puppy waiting for his good morning. He got cooked. I've done it again.
Coming back all the way to that level, guys.
This chop zone is looking like a torta. No cap.
I love me a good torta. I
Oh, Euro,
love me a good
you took a L?
torta.
You say you want the torta?
Said I love me a good torta.
I understand. Would asked Butters a question. Did she been at Futures a couple years? Oh, dope.
What
No
made you
excuse.
assume it was a female? Yeah. Yeah. I think we got him, guys. Yeah, we got him.
Yo, Butters. So, was that right?
What's the agenda? So, yeah.
He's a man. Oh, yo, what's up, gangster?
Bro.
What is this?
Don't kill me. This guy said, "Yo, what is up, gangsta?"
Oh, yeah, what time is it?
Look
Oh,
at that! Look at that
mm,
little
that
reclaim,
was
guys.
before though.
Can we get above the 618? Yes or no?
Yo, like honestly, I'm the most like until Euro gets first place. That's like all I really care about when it comes to trading right now. I'm like more excited for Euro to just be winning than
Me too.
me to even like be winning in trades.
Because we're for the people, and
Yeah.
Euro is our people.
Okay. But you know how gangster that would be if he gets first and they like do, because they're probably gonna interview the person who gets first. Like I wouldn't be surprised.
That's what he said. I'm gonna enter here, guys. My risk is going to be right around 780. Going to be running a negative R as soon as she approaches that 7 or that 850, 842 to 850. I'm definitely going to start getting dynamic or either hit a fat trim. So out of the 3 cons, probably slice up 2 of those. The
We
limit.
can go faster. We can. We can. We can. We can. We can. We can. We can go faster. Damn.
There it is. There's 42, 45, and selling here. And we're just going to hold this
Gotta get
last
this
one
shit.
through. Beautiful catch, guys.
Yo, that's so funny. Pasta said we should start calling Amar Prophet Brohamid from the boys. That's actually hilarious. But the Deep Loki has like some of the best one-liners like in cinema.
Would you say it's cinematic?
I would say it's pretty cinematic.
Nice. Moving my SL up now
you're
to
printing.
40. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful
You are
catch,
printing.
guys.
W.
See, look how long it took me to take a couple of trades,
Nice
but
40
once we
points.
did, absolute bangers. Shut the fuck up.
Shit.
Dragging up even more to underneath that wick at 47 as we come test this previous structure and
Oh, yeah.
382.
Close above that 850
Absolutely
retest. That looks
gorgeous.
nice. I think we can go for 900.
And let's see if I get tapped out. And if I do, that is completely fine.
No, it's completely valid. SL and profits.
And print it on Vanquish. There we go.
W. Wait, if JJ doesn't know who put that there, and we know, does that make us the put that there? Deep thoughts with not available. That was pretty good.
You like that?
Do you know deep thoughts with a deep? What's your favorite one?
Oh, you mean like that? No, I don't know like that.
You don't know deep
Bro,
thoughts
I
with a
didn't
deep?
even know the people's names, but I was telling you.
Oh yeah,
look,
what happened? Yeah.
I have the worst memory, and John is like
Look,
starting to learn that.
I had one. What's my favorite one?
Got tapped out, by the way, guys, and that was a
Good
good
shit.
push though off of our entry, 50 points from that, just shy of.
We can go faster. What a good take.
Starlight dies. Fucking fast.
Spoiler.
I said that the whole season. John just kept getting so pissed.
Spoiler. Bro, I hate spoilers. Spoilers suck.
Bro, you know what's crazy? Someone just spoiled something for me like 2 weeks ago.
We spoiled what?
Do you watch Euphoria?
No.
Yeah, so it was
Oh,
a
you watch with your
spoiler.
girl?
I mean, I watched it before
Oh.
leaving.
Yeah, I literally watched like the non-episode, like episode 0, like when it first came out, like the
Yeah.
pilot. That's like not even an episode.
Yeah.
And then I just never watched more.
But anyways. Someone on
Isn't it
TikTok
last season
who
out?
I know Let me finish my story. Oh my God. You guys, you see this guy? Who sees this guy? Oh my goodness. I just want to get a few words out, and he's asking me a new question. Guys, even this morning, he was like, yo, can you ask your simulation to run this? And then as I'm trying to read him the question he asked, he's asking me more questions. I'm like, bro, give me a second. I'm reading you what you wanted.
Maybe I need Vivans. Anyway, you were saying
I don't even know anymore.
the spoiler.
Oh,
Yeah.
one of Jill's friends, I legit almost unfollowed her because it's literally her face like this. And it's like the full spoiler at the bottom. I'm like, bro, the episode just came out.
That's crazy.
You're not going to get
That's
popular.
actually crazy.
Like, chill.
You're not gonna get popular.
Like, shut up with your fucking 1K followers, you dumb freaking hoe. What the shit?
Damn.
Oh, Jill was watching that whole thing. Hi, Jill. She sent a rose. She should delete her account for real. No, I completely agree. That spoiler, oh, killed me. Killed me. Yeah, that was a good another test of that 800. But I might be calling it here, guys. Halfway through PDPT, it is a Friday, and I'm actually trading a funded. I usually trade evals on Fridays. Decided, you know, my mental's pretty good today. We've been on an incredible week so far, so I'm okay.
I want
to
to show
just-
them an update I'm working on for the website.
Okay.
I'm just gonna screenshot it. This is what the prop firm page is looking
Chill,
like.
stop. Chill. Relax. Holy.
This is what the prop firm's page is looking like on the website. It's not updated yet, but I've been working on it, and it's pretty tough. Super clean, super simple.
Oh, David, I didn't get to your message yet, but I definitely will today.
And we can go pastors.
Excuse me. I took a backseat today. Good.
And look, when you open
You
the
need a
card
reset
on the
sometimes.
website, I know nobody probably cares, but I think it's pretty cool.
I care.
When you open the card on the website, there's details, and it shows you like absolutely everything, like all the challenges, how payouts work, consistency, leverage, rules, all that shit. And then there's gonna be a compare feature, just to make it super easy. I could potentially, actually no, I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, it's pretty dope looking. Have y'all picked the final three? Final three of what? You mean of the collective? Like the final three spots? Is that what
Santi.
you're talking about Santi? Santa.
Santi, you got approved, but you didn't check your DM.
We can go faster.
Do you want me to send it to this account, Santi?
What the fuck?
Yes. Okay. You're gonna have. I can't send more friend requests. Apparently, I'm already maxed, and you're just going to have to go through
Who put?
your.
Oh, Zulu's dipping. Later, Zulu.
Okay. There. I DM'd you. It says your old username, your other account, but it's you.
Are there still spots for the mentorship? Yeah. There's. Wait, is there 3 or 2 now?
It would be 2.
There's 2 left. We denied.
In technicality, still 3. Salvi's an old
Oh.
student. We haven't been considering new student or old students because they're just continuing education, which I'm fine to give them the extra love, especially if they're willing to put in the work. They also got a slight. You know what's crazy? Wait. You guys want to know something that's absolutely crazy?
Hmm.
I denied old students.
Yeah, no, we've denied a lot of people. Like we easily could have had more than double.
Oh, we
people
could have
that
had
are in-
triple.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it wasn't about money for us, guys.
Oh, later, Flakis.
It was about
Have a great
making
weekend.
sure that we can actually give the time dedicated to the people who are willing to push themselves to greater limits without being insanely cheesy. Guys, that is back inside our daily accumulation.
Without being extremely cheesy.
David, you didn't even apply.
brother.
Silly goose.
Stop yelling at me.
We can go faster. But yeah, I denied, I think, 3 old students who did apply. And the thing is, it's like you got to be a little bit weary of a lot of people who are just stuck in that like get rich quick scheme, because at the end of the day, that's not what trading is about. It's about actually building the foundations for longevity within this space. Because if you're just looking to get rich quick, guess what's going to happen? You're going to go through money super fucking quick. You're not going to get rich at all, period. And then you're going to be crying.
That's a pro
So,
tip. The faster you try to get a payout, the longer it's actually going to take.
yep. So, I mean, you know what? Let's go through something really quick.
Bet.
Who here has never even passed an eval? Be so transparent.
And don't be like embarrassed or anything. Like, just be honest, because honesty is the best policy.
Jill
It
said,
would
I
actually
would
help you.
never deny my old students. Posty said me. Fish Hat said me. Jay said I have passed, then blew them fast. Me.
Well, a lot of people haven't passed an eval.
See what I mean?
Okay, now out of all the people that said me, what do you think is like the main reason why that is?
Before you guys even answer that, what is the longest every single one of you who have not passed an eval yet? What is the longest you have held an account?
That's true. What's the longest you've held an account? And also add how long have you been trading? Yes, we want the truth.
Guys, that
At the end
long.
of the day, we're here for you
Holy
guys.
smokes. That is back inside of our accumulation,
2
back above
weeks.
900. This is a
Since you've been
sexy
trading for 3 years,
continuation.
AK 1 month,
I'm going to size down
2 to 3
significantly.
weeks. I passed no issue, but getting payout is still pending. I have 2 bots running and we'll get there soon. 6 months. Actually, the video that's gonna be coming out today is gonna answer that question. Now, if I were to take a guess on you guys, how many of you run the evals and are basically BE traders the whole time and then tilt and blow the account? Because I would say that's like a major issue a lot of people run into. Is they'll just be BE
Beautiful
like the whole
push.
time and then just blow the account at the
As
end.
we approach that 850, trailing hard once again. 950. Actually, 30K is right there.
Lost an account within a couple of days last year. Was a major degen with it. Haven't messed with props since.
That was a 1 minute accumulation there.
Damn, Joe, you got knocked out. This guy's shoulder shrugging. Fucking. Look.
Why did I do an upright row? I did an upright row with my deadlift? That's crazy.
Heart's pounding so close. Jay, just chill out. You know, I understand the feeling. Just trade how you've been trading. You know what I mean? Take the good setups and just let it naturally pass. Or wait, is that your funded? Working on that, keeping track of all that. My mindset shift.
Ooh,
Your
I
discipline
love
needs to
that.
match your desperation. True.
I
No, eval.
love that.
It's
No,
dub.
Colton.
Your discipline needs to match your desperate. Dude, what is that banger bar that we have in the video? Or do you want to just like keep it in the video? The video's coming out today, but there's a bar in that video. Yeah, that could easily. There's gonna be a lot of reels from that.
I could get it in like 2 seconds. I just have to go through me and your chat. In the video we just made, right?
Yeah.
It was.
Was the bar Jesus is Lord? No, but that is a bar. Oh, you have it?
Yeah.
Toasty, I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. You want the truth? Sometimes I get so frustrated about being locked out. Instead of waiting, I'll just reset the account. I tilt extra hard during periods of mania, so I have to really work on keeping track of my mental
Testing
swings.
900 again here. Sorry.
But I'm working on keeping track of all that.
That stays
I'm seeing the
above.
cycle,
I
so it's
will
making it
be
easier.
adding in there. I do have my SL all the way deep at 43. Willing to hold the risk. It's fine. Not too shabby. That's the bottom of accumulation right here. So any reclaims back above 900 would be the add-in as it comes to test.
Okay, Toasty, honestly, I would say it's not that bad.
Okay, you guys ready for the bar?
Like, a lot of people are way worse. You can easily get over that. Oh yeah, say the bar real quick, and then we can continue.
The goal was never getting funded. It's becoming someone who deserves to stay funded. Funded's a byproduct, not a trophy.
Funded
AKA,
is a byproduct, not a trophy.
AKA, all those times you guys have been posting your certificate and praising yourself and looking at the Lambo sites and the Ferraris as soon as you guys get your funded, and next thing you know, the funded's gone in 2 seconds. That's because you treated the funded like it was a trophy. It don't mean shit until you get your payout.
Bro, Toasty, I have such a good answer for what you just said, but it's like so much sauce.
She's in the collective. She'll be printing in no time.
I know. I'm kind of wondering if I should just say it to everyone here though.
Back inside of that daily accumulation, as long as it keeps holding above 877. But I don't have my add-in until 900.
You know what? I'm gonna give a little bit of the sauce. I'm just gonna like super simplify it. For those of you who haven't passed evals, or you do pass the evals but you haven't gotten payouts yet. So Toasty was just saying that she like resets accounts, which I understand. Like some people they'll like buy a 50K, your account will be at like 48.3, and you're like, bro, I'm not gonna recover this. I might as well just reset the account, start at
Oh,
50K. Because why am
you
I
guys don't
gonna?
even know how many accounts we've saved from
Yeah,
like $50, $100.
yeah, but I understand the mentality because now you're looking at it like, oh, now I need to make $2,000 just to basically be at the start of the account again. So I might as well just reset it. So I fully understand that. But especially if you're someone who hasn't gotten a payout or struggle with passing evals, I would look at trading almost like you're testing if the way you trade even works. So I would just look at it as like gathering stats and not even care if you blow the account. Because you're not going to be confident in the way that you trade if you don't actually trade exactly how you would trade if that was just a cash account.
Big fucks.
There's some sauce. Now I have like a super deep whole thing about that.
And that looks
And
like it's
it's gonna be a
rejecting there,
class for
guys.
the collective. Spoiler
Could
alert.
not reclaim through orb or that daily accumulation. Still testing, but my SL is at 43 and I could get tapped here,
Put that there.
which will basically put me at BE for the day, and I am fine with that. Yep, literally BE. Dun, 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 dun.
Put that mic there. I want to hear it, JJ, but I'll wait for the collect. Yeah, honestly, it's better if I just do it as a class. You know, is AK here? Okay, so AK, Mr. AK-47 goes burr. That's my cousin, and he's newer to trading. And I basically had a whole conversation with him about like stats and strategy and shit. AK, are you here?
He's like, I'm working, dog.
Junis?
Shut up.
He is here. Yo, tell them how banger that conversation was that we had when I was talking to you about like all the like testing your strat stuff. Because I'm definitely gonna make that a full class. What it means is if I took those poor trades and disrespect my process to get that deep into drawdown, I need to double down on recovering the account and put in the work to recover. Digging out is half the fun. Yo, digging out is this account that I just got a payout on, the 150K. Actually, let me check. I'll tell you exactly right now because I was red on it. Like right in the beginning. Mm. Yeah, so the 150K at one point I was at 147.3, which on this account, like I still had, what is that? Like $3,300 of drawdown left. But to get the payout, I had to make basically 12K just to hit profit target. And I didn't give a shit. You know, like I saw I was right. I did not care because I was like, I'm here to literally just follow my process because you can't be confident in your strat if you don't let your strat just play out.
DJ still spinning bars at y'all?
Is it too much sauce? It's okay. We only got like 53 people here. Chilling.
Free game Friday at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. That is true.
Back to testing 800. Which
Toasty,
I
just wait. Just wait. About journaling, I'm literally gonna do an entire class on that too. I don't know if it's gonna be in the same class as the other one. It might need two separate. It could probably be the same, actually.
You know how perfect that is? Because it's probably going to align when I have to take the week off.
Mm-hmm.
So then you could run those.
Yeah. That's gonna be super, super banger. And I would actually go as far to say, as I definitely have perspectives when it comes to teaching people who are struggling that you don't, because you didn't really struggle that much in the beginning. Would you agree? Because like in the beginning of trading, you kind of were just profitable right away. Really insane. So you don't have like the actual perspective of being in it in terms of trials and tribulations before seeing like any progress.
um,
Like you don't actually know how it feels to like be like like some people were saying that they've been like trading and trying to grind and like 6 months in haven't passed a single eval. You know what I mean?
I think the struggle was different. So
That's what I'm saying. It's like I have that perspective of like the thoughts you have and what it feels like and like the mistakes you make and the ways you try to compensate for it.
because sometimes it does get worse than your initial. So what I'm
100%. But you knew it was possible because you've done it. A lot of people have
yeah.
like never done it.
So what I'm trying to talk about, guys, is like when you really accomplish something, and this is something that Colton said inside of his introduction, was basically when you see some sort of success and you're trying to imitate and replicate that same system. And David even said this to me inside of a voice note. You kind of build this imposter syndrome where it's like, I need to keep doing this, especially when you're the face of something, right? Like I am the face of Prophub. I was essentially the face of stock dads at the time and like all that stuff. And then I had all my circumstances around me that was just absolutely overwhelming, from everything getting blocked, getting audited on every single year of my life, and literally going from having expenses of $50,000 per month and having zero funds because they've locked every single one of my accounts. So it was also like I was on an absolute cold streak. So I went every single month, stupid amounts of payouts, literally going from 100K days to even 500K days to making like $2,000 per day. It wasn't balancing out off of everything that I was accomplishing. And as soon as everything got frozen, I was just like, fuck, what do I do from here? Also, guys, that's my trim point. So moving my SL. But absolute back in the green for the session. But yeah, so it's a different kind of
yes.
struggle.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets worse, but in
We-
terms of
That's what I'm saying. We both have
Yeah.
different perspectives in terms of like the kind of
yeah,
struggle.
if anything, I would actually say trying to replicate it might even be harder
As a struggle?
as a struggle.
100%. I agree with that. I agree, but I'm saying what I was saying is majority of the people can't relate to that
Mm-hmm.
because majority of the people were never at a point being like hyper successful in trading and then trying to replicate. But that's definitely way harder. Like that would definitely sit on your chest more, being like, I literally just did this for like a long time consistently.
Like the OGs,
Wait, you
OGs will
entered
literally
VDV? You could
remember the
see the trade.
100K days. The
Yeah.
100K days were absolutely ridiculous.
There's that one banger video when you're on the phone when you were at SD.
Oh, where I'm literally just on the phone with DJ
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just making 20 bands casually.
Mm-hmm. On stream. So banger. One of my favorite things about this mentorship already is that we did introductions like we did. People were open, and I'm already rooting for everyone in the collective because I feel like I know them. This is going to be a fire mentorship. This is going to be, I really do think this is going to be fantastic. Like, I genuinely don't think there's like another group on the internet that's going to be as good as this one.
What's insane is that people joined MM1, right? And then they were like, holy shit, this was phenomenal, like best mentorship, blah, 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 blah. Then we did MM2, and they're like, I didn't think it could get any better, but it did because you reduced all the fluff and got straight to the sauce while really putting love into the things that you actually utilize. This time around, I would even arguably say it's 100 times better.
This is going to be the best one by like a super far margin. Like, for sure.
And there's a reason why we're denying many, many, many people, guys. We're not just trying to dilute anything that we've built up
Like,
to
yo,
this point.
realistically, if we wanted to, we could have made triple the money. But we don't give a fuck. Like, we're trying to just make sure that every single person who's in it is like really about what we're trying to do.
Jill said, I can legit hear you swallowing. That's crazy. The mic is so sensitive on OBS and
Oh,
on
for TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh, so it picks up on
It
TikTok,
picks
but
up
not on here?
everything. Like when I was chewing my gum, everyone could just hear me smacking. Like Euro's like, I can't watch this right now.
That's funny. Talked to an old mentor about my struggles lately, about imposter syndrome, because he helped me a lot during the mentorship. His response, you got this. Go back to the basics.
Bro, what?
That's
That's
ridiculous.
wild.
Will you guys offer the option to buy the videos to see offline, like an offline program? No.
My
For the
fifth
group coaching,
payout
we said
from
this before.
Vanquish
It's
this
specific.
week. Ooh, ooh.
MDoc?
MDoc,
No
guess
way. Way to
what?
go.
You got to make sure you're always posting your payouts inside of testimonials because you just earned a secret chat.
No cap. What was I saying? Oh
Huh?
yeah, we said that before. Everything happening in group coaching is only ever going to be seen by the eyes of the people that are live in group coaching. And that's a fact.
Would you ever say that your eyes, stars look like they're not
You have to
shining?
take it. You have to take it in. This is probably the best trading community in like the trading scene. 100%. 100%. We're definitely nowhere near the biggest, but that's because like
We're not selling
if
you
our
pipe dreams.
yeah, like if our main goal was to grow and be the biggest, we would just do what all these other servers are doing and just like lie about everything, don't show, create like a bunch of FOMO, make it very hard for
Get
people to
super cars where
follow.
we know that will convert in the first 3 months regardless. Like
Yeah.
there's so many marketing tactics that we can be manipulating to customers and
Yeah.
we
Just
don't
like
care for that.
make a half-ass mastermind, sell it for a ridiculous amount, allow as many people as you want to join it. Then use that money to buy dope shit like watches and diamonds and cars to then like grow more on socials and then sell another. Basically, what TGR did and what all these other people did. We could have easily done that. But like, that's gay. What do you mean by that? These are people that come with experience from hundreds of servers, especially Ace. Yeah, I think. Would you say comfortably from like all the trading servers that like you know of and like all the people that trade that you're like top 3 most experienced traders in the space? Of like
Top
people that
3.
actually do it. Like I know there's certain people that like aren't even in the space but are like banger at trading and shit and like are way older. so they have like more years and shit.
Like influencer wise?
Like people that teach and like trade live.
I don't know. I've seen some incredible teacher. You know what it is too? And maybe this is a tangent on its own, but like there's a big difference between people who are knowledgeable and people who are good teachers. Because just because someone understands the concepts, schematics, the draws, the whole theoretical aspect of it, it doesn't mean that they can relay the information and make it digestible for the end user.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many people who I know who are the smartest people I've ever seen. But if you were to ever try to learn something from it, it won't be absorbed. And that was always the biggest differential between whenever I was doing a lot of these courses versus whenever I wanted to teach. Because I had so many professors when I was going through finance, and finances are very, very dull already. And my prof was literally as dry as concrete on the hottest day possible. Like,
Hey Jay, pass the count,
let's
baby.
go,
Let's
Jay.
fucking go, Jay. Good shit.
And that was the one thing that I always knew that I never wanted to do was be that dry teacher who no one was even able to comprehend, but because I knew I was smart, I had some superiority complex. Like at the end of the day, it doesn't mean shit if no one can actually relay the message themselves.
That's a
So
bar. Sharing knowledge is different. I can't read. Sharing knowledge is a different world than gaining knowledge.
yeah,
You know who's actually banger at teaching? Like I personally love
I know who you're
his
gonna say already.
who.
Break.
Yeah. Yeah, I personally love his teaching style, but at the same time when I think about it, I could fully understand that like certain people won't like it. But that's like fully how I like that.
Yeah.
Like the way he teaches.
And the thing about like me
But that
and
servers too much,
Jake,
yeah.
like very, very similar. And this is why I always say Rake is one of my favorite traders. Even
Love you,
though
Jay. Put that
he
shit in
might not
testimonial.
like me that much because of some old stuff in the past. But um the fact that he's neurodivergent as fuck. Like, I'm pretty sure he's just as dyslexic as I am, if not more. And he has ADHD like no tomorrow. He's also an absolute pothead, but he gets the fucking job done.
Mm-hmm.
He's been on multiple leaderboards. Like he has so much proof in the pudding. Keeps it insanely simple. And I'm just like the nerdier end of that, where I'm like, let me learn everything, absorb everything. I want to be freaking Thanos with
Yeah,
information.
we're more similar in that way where we go like so heavily deep
Mhm.
into analysis. Not like analysis paralysis on the charts, but like when we want to learn a concept, it's like, all right, time to learn every single letter in the book. Rick is a nut, love him. He's great. He really is great. Listen, we give people their flowers if they deserve the flowers.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that. Never mind.
Personally, I feel Chef was a good teacher as well. Um, I've heard mixed things. Again, I don't know. I didn't take. I didn't. I was in his mastermind because they gave me the role for free, and I didn't watch a singular video, so I have no feedback to really give on that.
What about Isaac? Isaac who?
Isaac, like from Isaac and Jordan days. Um, it's better if I don't say anything.
Honestly, the only two people that I like how they teach is you and Rick. It's basically it.
I was a part of the mentorship. Yikes.
Is it that bad?
Oh,
Damn.
it's just like if I can grab the
It
information,
was horrible. Holy.
like if I can grab the information off of YouTube and repackage it, and it's not even the best content off of YouTube, that's what it was. Like that's what most
It was just a complete waste of time
that's what
and money.
most courses
Yeah,
are.
that's literally what majority of courses are.
Like, let me watch a video on VWAPs and send it to you guys and
Let me
sell
watch
it
a
for
video on trend lines and
$2,000.
sell it for $6,000.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I say it how it is. You know what I mean? Is there a part of me that's like, yo, you know, it'd be dope to like not talk shit low key about Tory trades? Because like, what if one day we do a collab and then it helps us grow? But like, yo, I'm not gonna like. That's fucking such a scam. I'm sorry. You do not need to buy a $6,000 course USD to learn how to draw trend lines. That is like straight insane.
What about Aaron? Again, I don't know
He
much.
didn't even post the recordings. I mean, I guess if it was asked
I
anyway, who cares? But that's crazy.
all I did for Aaron, like I hopped into a few of his like pre-market stuff and whatnot. But I did have some of his old students, and again, I don't know. This is all hearsay. I'm not trying to talk shit or anything, but I did have old of old students of his, not of me, that basically said it was repackaged from another course, and he had the timestamps of when that old one came out versus his stuff. Again, I don't know. At the end of the day, people are going to make iterations of courses that they've learned. So, albeit because I'll do the same thing, but I always put my own spin on it. Like it's never going to be one to one, or I'll try to claim it as my own or anything like that. But again, I have zero clue. Paper Gains is another person where I truly believe Jason is one of the smartest people in this space. I
Jason?
truly believe Paper Gains is
Oh, Paper
one
Gains.
of the smartest people in this space.
Yeah, Signal, what you just said, saying it doesn't do well in big groups and also it doesn't feel personal. That's like one of the main reasons why we have a spot limit for the group coaching is
Yeah.
to make it feel more personal, which is going to be like obviously way more personal.
And like me and John are going to be going through like it's deep. Like we're going through your guys' logs. Like I want to see all the trades you took and why. Like I want full details as to what the heck is going on. So that's why we can't accept 25 people, run it through simulations and go through it ourselves to make sure like, hey, you know what, if you were using discretion, why? Like, did you even follow your rules? Why was your sizing like this? Like, what was your confidence level? X, Y, and Z.
You know, it's going to be great. I'm actually super excited. I'm not going to lie, the more I talk about it and the more I think about it, I think I'm going to be I think I'm going to play like a much bigger role than I originally thought. Just because that's like my personality. You know what I mean? Like once I start just like giving out the sauce, I'm just gonna fucking do as much as I can. I mean, you know what I mean? It's mentorship time. I'm just gonna give everything. Can we just start it now? Bro, it's Friday. I'm tired. You know what I mean?
I'll speak up. I've worked with a bunch of these guys. Having Ace explain the rationale behind why things work was the key differentiator. It helps you develop your own strat that works for you. Yeah, I mean that's how my brain works. So I just thought that's how a lot of people's brains work, and it may have worked for you, Kels. But after going through premium, it's actually very interesting how much people want the layman's terms absolutely dumbed down for it to be even more digestible than what I made it. Most people just want to be told what to do. I mean, yeah, very fair. Like, I
Don't tell me
guarantee
what to
you,
do.
half the people in here can't even explain what a VWAP is. They just know that
They just know that the
they know what
line
the
means
title is.
something.
Yeah, the line is dynamic. Everything is a lagging indicator, and that's all I know.
It's just a line and it's somewhat respected. That's usually most people's answer. To be honest, I just want to put Ace's brain in a bot and let it trade for me. That'd be kind of crazy. Could you imagine if you could like
Um,
duplicate your brain? What if you could just clone yourself? Clone yourself 10 times and have all 10 aces trade evals.
I wanted to say something, but I don't know if we should. So
What? Oh, no. Definitely not. Say it. You guys could do something like Traderhythmic does. Say it, say it, say it. Huh. What do you think this is? You think we're on trial here? Oh, Jay needs advice. Ooh, looks like I need more to get consistency to 50. What is it at now? 58.91. Oh, you need 544. You had a day that you made over consistency, right? Jay, there's always and Tuesday and Wednesday and like, okay, let me show you one of my weeks for this 150K I just got a payout on. Look at this. That's Friday. Okay. Okay, so look at this 2-week span on this account. Look at that 2-week span. So you have to understand, right? The last trade on that first week is Friday. So that means Saturday, Sunday, obviously I didn't trade. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I didn't trade. And then Thursday, I found a trade at like 11:45 or something. And it was only for 290 on a 150K account. So it was like 6 days a row where it literally felt like I was not trading. But I didn't give a shit. My setup wasn't there, so I just didn't take it. My headset was cutting out. I didn't hear. Oh, do I need to say that again?
What'd Vinny say? Damn, that
Friday
sucks.
too. There's always Friday and Sunday evening. Oh,
He
yo,
said,
Vinny, I left my headset in.
he said, who
I can't
am
hear
I?
anything you're saying.
I
Can you
said,
hear?
watch this. Watch this.
Vinny has all the power, baby.
You can go on socials. Everyone on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, everywhere else. Join the Discord. It's free. We usually chill in there more. So hop in.
I want
Hop
it back.
in. Laters.
Bye. Discord only, baby. You know what that means.